Hi, I received this garden trellis as a gift so that I could put it together and show you how nice it is. So this is everything that comes in the box, all of the pieces along with the instruction manual of how to do it. And so we're just snapping pieces together to make these 4 rings. And then at the top of the trellis, there's an inner ring, which I'm working on here, and then a larger outer ring, which is going to be this circle that I'm working on now. And then what we do is we take the bottom poles. You can see they've got the kind of the little spike at the bottom. Those spikes can go into the ground. So we're just putting that together. And then we're going to take the straight pieces and put those into all of the holes. And then we'll do a ring, and then we'll do more straight pieces, and then another ring, and we'll keep going up until it's very tall. And then at the very top, we've got these curved pieces. And then this is what the inner ring and the outer ring will attach to with those clamps that I just showed you. So the inner ring there, and then the outer ring goes on the top. So this is what it looks like as a finished product. You can take those middle sections out if you don't want it to be so tall. Take those middle sections out. This is what it looks like in my garden. I plan to use this with some climbing roses. Anything that vines would work. Really pretty.